Right here, hold it, hold it. Every movie scene right here. Oh shit, that one almost hit me. What?
Oh my god, it's probably getting bad. Where's my line? Oh my god. Oh, you're kidding me. You son of a bitch, Dad.
You're a horde. Nick, you're gonna drown it.
I'm trying to pull it in so we can do it. Damn it, no.
Oh, you
I know.
poor white, beautiful white dove. Beautiful white dove. We caught one.
Yeah, I feel bad. Alright, Desmond, grab it. Keep its wing.
Grabbing this thing. I can't grab
Dude, it's gonna drown.
Alright, I got it. Of course you learn how
Was it hooked?
No, it just went around his neck. Of course.
Keep it. It's beautiful.
Oh my god, dude. What the fuck? What are the chances of this shit, dude?
Where is it?
It's around his neck, dude.
Here, I'll
Bite my line.
Feast. Feast.
Bite it, dude.
No, I want to use my knife. It's badass.
Just fucking hurry up.
Is it hooked?
I don't know.
Barb deep?
Trying not to pull feather.
Call Nick here. Bird catcher. Hope you get the bird flu.
Alright, I gotta let it go. Record. Hurry.
It's recording.
It doesn't fly. Die.
It just falls in the water.
Alright, what are the
You
chances
do.
of that, dude?
I stopped it on accident.